Why would he say I'm thinking about going live and then just
I
disappear?
don't know,
Like,
man. But I'm gonna
why
go get
can't
some
we
water.
do that like once he's back?
All right. Let's see. Hello?
Hey yo!
For some reason, the Discord died
Hey
also.
yo!
But there. We're back. Oh yeah, I forgot to
We
take
might as well get the warmed up.
Winter. Let's
My
see.
gun goes pew, pew, pew. Allocator.
Alright. Like so. Hello everybody. Wait, let me move things around a little bit. Like so, it's Pig and Peppa Pig. And of course the stream overlay is broken here. There it is. Fantastic. Well, graphics pipeline is working, so I don't know why I have that there. Anyways, kind of working.
Right.
There's something weird in it.
Yep.
But it's kind of working. Alright, okay. Let's see, guide. Bruh. Lucas, what did I don't know my arch deleted? You deleted your arch? Bro, I don't know how you manage. That sounds like something impossible. Hello, Chupak. Let's see, we're gonna go. And I think I got all of this done from last time. Yeah. Except for that, I didn't remove these things. Now I sit 4 hours on to reinstall. Damn! It's crazy. Let's see. When we created a pipeline builder, we completely skipped over the blending logic, setting as no blending. Blending is used for transparent object and some graphics focal effects, so it's important to have. For that reason, we will make the rectangle we render last article transparent. Ah, that's crazy. Blending in the pipeline. We can't really control blending from shaders. That's property of the pipeline. The GPU hardware itself does the blending mathematics for us and has a bunch of options. We will be adding 2 new blending modes into the pipeline builder. One will be additive blending, where it just adds colors, and the other alpha blend, where it would mix the colors. So now additive and enable. Okay, I guess these are things I could actually just yoink and put them there. Like, it's not too bad. Does this actually have a like yeah, because I should have a let's see, it's the front. Yeah, it does create an empty one, so I don't really need to say to create an empty one. Not my Arch install, only down Arch install, so I'm not one of them, but I have down. What? What are you saying? I'm gonna yoink these, and I'm just gonna rewrite them into Sig. And we won't need that. And we have to take in self this. And I don't think we'll do any other. We'll just leave it like this. And this is blending attachment. Wait, hold on. Color blend attachment. Well, that's okay. Yeah, okay. Now I see. I should probably not do it like this, but that's the way I do it. So I should probably add. Okay, this is kind of dumb, to be honest, because now I basically have this here. Bro, self dot that. Because if you go back to the renderer, right? What I do here. Okay, that's color blend state. Wait, did I fuck up? Yeah, that's the color blend state. Wait, am I mixing? Color blend state, color blend state. You know, that's not the same. Do they actually have it as a member? Wait, hold on. Color blend enabled. It seems like there's supposed to be a one of those, but I'm unsure which one is it associated to. Wait. Attach. Source alpha blend. Color blend attachment. What the fuck? I don't think that's the correct thing. Going back to on development of because I learned I don't need C or C++, but I can use Rust, and motivated me. There is a kernel integration of Sig. Don't you worry. So yeah, all right, good. But you should do Sig, bro.
Yeah.
No,
that's what
don't
I
listen
hear.
to these guys.
How dare you?
Wait for Zig 2.0.
That might be actually a valid thing to say, actually. Self.color.
Bum, bum.
Yeah, no, this is definitely the wrong thing, but I wonder what is this thing actually like. I have no memory of. There's like this thing, but
What the hell
that's
is this? The Home Alone with the home?
color blend attachment.
Mm.
Okay, wait, what do they do? They just, in setting blending options in Vulkan, we need field formula on both color and alpha. The parameters work the same on both color and alpha. Source color blend there are a few possible operations, but for the most part we will be doing color VK blend option add as it's most basic and guaranteed to work. There are many other much more advanced operators, but those come with extensions and we want to use them. Source color and blend factor refers to the color we are processing on our pipeline, and destination color is this current value matching to. With formula above, let's explain what the additional blend does. Sets the blend factor to just 1, so no multiplying. The handle multiply it by the alpha of the source, or our blending ends up as this formula. Out color source blend look this essentially making it into alert controls by source color alpha, which will be from our shaders. To use it, so what it does we don't want alpha set in our shaders, so let's just try additive one, the blending on it on the init mesh pipeline function. Okay, I have to actually see what the fuck. I just started learning Rust, okay. I'll wait. Why do I want to press Ctrl C, but I know what happened. What? Let's see. I wonder I'll take the wrong one. This one it is. Chapter 3. And then blending. Well, I guess we can already see here it's in the builder stage. It's probably in like the, where do they have, is it in the engine they have a pipeline builder? Pipeline. No, they have a pipeline.h. I'm actually just trying to find the code that they're using here. Okay, so where is that h from? Let's see, includes shared. Shaders, no, shared. Pipeline. Here. So I do have it as a member field. And then build pipeline. They always say it's 1. Well, that's kind of interesting, because that means you would have to always call disable by by default it could be this, and then you would have to enable it if you wanted something else. I think that sounds more. Yeah, I will go with that. But I've also added it into mine, but in a different way. These are like actually, well, I guess all of these are actually used. You can put it next to the blend state here. We can take the same name. Bruh, if I could copy it would be amazing. Well, I guess I could just do it from here, like so, bam. And we can just make it compatible. Blend attachment, like so. vk.c, and that is a vk. It's not a pipeline. Where is it, a pipeline? Pipeline. Color blend attachment. I actually don't know. I can see from the render actually what we use here. We use a color. Yeah, it is that thing. Okay. And then I can just say it's equal to, and by default we'll just disable it the same way they do it over here, like so. Okay, let's see. And let's see, that needs to change that, and then this needs to become that. So now by default it will have this thing. And then now we'll also have it in here. We could actually just pass in more information to create it. But anyways, in the init here, I think what I will do, create info. I think it would make sense most here. So here, when you do the init, color blend state dot, and then I will just do it here equals 1, like so. And a color blend state dot p attachments be equal to config dot color blend state, like so. So by default, oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, it needs to be the, like so. Well, I mean, it says color blend state. We don't really need to say anymore. It's kind of, if I write a comment here, color blend states, like, it says color blend state right there. Like, why would I make a comment? We could also put here 1, but that's kind of dumb, because then if you for some reason removed it here, then you would have some funny errors because of that. Yes. And then we don't need this one disabled. And another thing that will, well, this would still work with the current thing which we have here. I wonder what happens now if I don't enable this real quick. Just gonna check it out real quick, right? So we're just gonna let it be and see how this works. Just gonna go in here and temporarily don't use that. CD projects. Wait, yeah. All right, spacetime start. I can go seek build. Run, will it run? No, suboptimal. Come on, just give me one that is not suboptimal. Just once. Okay, now that's not the issue that I'm trying to solve. Okay, we are just gonna do this. Take it. Decrease the chances of it needing to be recreated. Suboptimal, suboptimal. Just give me one that is not suboptimal, bro. Please. I really need that recreation of the swap chain. Oh, I just did one. And there it failed to just load the... I think. Just need to reconfirm that. I just make the assumption because it's usually that. Yeah. Come on. Just once. I know it's not because of suboptimal, it's something different in this case. There it is. Okay, so this actually works. Then I don't need that whole setup because now I just made it default in the config. When you call init, initialize the config, it will just make default values for this. And I think I dare to just remove this. It's a little bit cleaner. And we'll probably get more of these away from here and just make like these kind of things because I like them a lot more. We can also right now see, because now I would like to add these to the config. And I think they probably have a lot in common, right? Like already the bit mask is the same, or right mask, color right mask is the same. These both of them are true here. Wait, hold on. I might have done a double copy now because this. No, okay, they are slightly different. Okay. But then, so the only difference is this thing over here. Blend factor 1. Destination. Is it actually the only difference? That's so crazy. Okay, well, I guess if that's just one simple flag, why make two? Enable blending or set blending. Set blending fact destination color. Because that's literally the only thing that is different in both of these. Everything else is the same. Like if I just did this, they're the same. They're the same. This is different. This should be the same, same, and then the same. Yeah, they're literally everything else is the same, and it's kind of dumb to just have two separate functions if they're gonna be the same. So instead, I'm just gonna go set blending. Set blending. Is it just destination format? Destination. Set destination. Destination color blend factor. So destination blend factor color blend. I'm just gonna do it like this because it's not that. It's just so simple. And then all you have to do here is just pass in right self that color blend attachment. Yeah, but that's gonna be it. Dot and then color destination color blend factor.
That's it? It's over?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We got a game engine now?
Yes.
Yep, that's right.
Blend factor. Like so. And then we'll just take this thing in over here. And it's a, let's see, can I just, please? Okay, I'm just gonna tell it to be online. Can I do that? Is that legal? Then I should be able to, I don't have IntelliSense. Boom. So, now I can see. Give me the IntelliSense. Yes, there it is. VK blend factor. Come on. Okay, now I'm just gonna VK blend factor like so, and then you just put that over there like so, and then we can take this one and then we don't need that one more over there, and instead we'll just take this bam, and then we don't need this one, just remove it, and then we can go vk.c, and yeah. Nation color. For now, it's probably just the most dumbest thing ever, but it will work for now. Additive, so it's just basically seeing here that they use the 0 and blend factor minus. The additive is this one. I'm just gonna add it actually like here. I do this. For now, we'll just go like this. Like it. Oh, fine. And then we can take this from here. And what do they do with the form? It's actually making the. Let's try use what. We don't have alpha set in our schedule. Let's just try additive. Change the blend on the init mesh pipeline. Okay. I don't know if we will see any difference for our mesh though, because I have a slight issue with it, but you know, it's okay. Set, and then we just pass in vk.c this thing, like so. And let's see if it runs. That was just a fail to load a mesh and suboptimal. It seems to be fine. Oh wow, look, there it is actually. Very nice. We could actually maybe... I'm gonna keep it like that. I was thinking maybe doing a bit more friendly, but we don't need it yet. I'm not really sure what the purpose of this is yet, so I'm not gonna try to make something more friendly to use if I'm not sure how to use it yet. Finally, windowing resizing. Well, this shouldn't be too hard now. So, in Vulkan we have to handle window resizing ourselves. As part of chapter 0, we already have the code minimization, but resize the window is a lot more involved. When a window resizes, the swap chain becomes invalid, and the Vulkan operation with the swap chain, like VK acquire next and VK Q% can fail with a VK error out of date Chronos error. We must handle those correctly and make sure that we can recreate the swap chain with new size. For efficiency, we will not be reallocating the draw image right now. We only have one draw image and depth image. Yeah, that's I spoke with you, Harold, already. I think that's wrong. We should have multiple ones, but for now we're still using one.
Yeah, I don't know.
But on more developed engine, it could be slightly more, and recreating all that can be a considerable hassle. Instead, we create the draw and the depth image at startup with the preset size and then draw it into the section of it if the window is small, or scale it up if the window is bigger, as we aren't reallocating but just rendering into a corner. We can also use this same logic to perform dynamic resolution, which is a useful way of scaling performance and can be handy for debugging. We are copying the rendering from the draw image into the swap chain with vk command blit, and that one performs scaling, so it will work well here. This sort of scaling is not the highest quality, as normally you would want to perform some more complicated logic for upscaling, like applying some sharpening or doing fake anti-aliasing as part of the scaling. The AmGUI UI will still render into the swap chain image directly, so it will always render at the native resolution. We don't have that, and I'm not planning to get it. Let's begin by enabling the resizable flag when creating the window. Then we can see what happens if we try to resize. Resizable. Do I need to add that to the GLFW? Does that one have the same, like, need a flag to be resizable?
The DLFW, what? Yeah, that needs a flag.
Wait, where do we... Init
You do...
I
think you have to... You know where the window, like you specify the title and the size? Yeah, you can do .resizable also.
Size... What? Resize?
Able.
I don't think I can. There is a resizable. Did I just typo it? No, that's just for the init. Wait, hold on. There is... Why doesn't it just find it? No field name, window config. Oh, that's the hint. But still, in here. Oh, there isn't. There's actually just title size and monitor share. There isn't like...
Oh. Okay. Then you could do dlfw.window.hint.set. Above the window. Yeah, you do dlfw dot window dot hint or hints maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's dot set dot resizable true.
Right.
Yep. Yeah, this binding ain't too good, but like it's pretty decent. You know, it only took like 4 hours.
I think we should just go to the C binding.
This is binding. You can, but it's a bit of a hassle.
Yeah.
Especially error logging, because my thing just handles errors with the try keyboard, you know. Yeah, GitFW doesn't really have error returns. It has like a callback and like a function. It's weird.
Well, didn't we have to create that either way?
Did you?
Bye.
Bye?
But
Yo, Omni.
Oh, you said hi. I heard bye. I was like, okay.
I said bye. No, I did
said
say
bye.
bye. Whoever, someone left.
yeah,
Ah.
to Andrew.
Ah.
Walter.
Wait, what the? I thought there was more. I just heard Walter and then it just
Nope.
stopped. I was like, okay.
No, that's it. That's what I got.
Bro.
We're streaming, so you gotta make sure we ain't slanging too much of that slander.
True. Okay. Anyways. No, I just this like this whole thing here.
Mhm.
What we're doing here.
That's yeah, too bad. But I think, wait, can't you just do dlfw.c?
I don't know.
You probably can, but then you need to do a bunch of pointer casts. I don't know. You could do that a lot better, but I'm not gonna tell you how because it's just annoying and it doesn't really matter.
Well, it does. We need to do that soon.
Okay, so we need to do that soon, but we don't need to clean anything else up. Okay, I see how it is.
it's kind of part of the cleaning up phase. So, and as soon as we have mesh loading,
Yeah, the cleaning up is never coming.
it is coming as soon as we have
will-
mesh loading. Trust me,
nah.
bro. As soon as we have mesh
No,
loading.
everyone's gonna be like this in 10 years when they're looking at this code.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
No. And still handles though as part of resizing the window, so we can do it now. Run the engine and try to resize the window. It should give an error. Check macros. We have either VK acquire Q Chronos or out of date. So handle the resize. We need to stop the rendering if we see the error and rebuild the swaption. Let's see. Or do we get still suboptimal? Suboptimal. But if you get it running once, can I then try to resize it? Bro, fuck. Just get it once there, come on. Just once. Just once. Stop giving me the suboptimal, bro. I don't want the suboptimal. I
You're
want it.
suboptimal. No, you're suboptimal.
Bro. Ah. I wonder though, because it doesn't mention the suboptimal, but it's okay, I'm actually just making the assumption that wait, I need to check that actually. I think that is what it means.
Damn, Lucas, just load the goddamn cube already. God damn!
Yeah, that's right.
I want cube. I want cube.
The cube is there.
I want cube now.
Ah.
Too bad.
Let's see. Wait, this is this what I'm trying to find? No, there is no suboptimal here, bro. What is this? It's safe to use this as window result detection. Latest. Swaption no longer matches the surface property exactly. Can still be used to present. So technically, you don't have to wait for suboptimal swaption. You can recreate the swaption every frame if you like. Wait, what the? That's I mean,
That
performance
sounds
may
nice.
suffer.
That's a
if you
shitty
do-
idea.
Yeah,
Don't do it.
because you're redoing
Unlimited swap chains?
save.
Because what I'll tell you is that resizing swap trains on like some on some devices is the laggiest part of Vulkan. Like it lags shit on like a bad driver. I actually had this once. When you resized a Vulkan window, it would just like freeze up for like 2 seconds. Making this swap train every frame is like the worst idea you could ever do.
Yeah, no, I have had the same experience, so I'm like, what the fuck? That makes no sense.
Yeah, no, that's stupid.
But I still need to know what the fuck the suboptimal is. Man, of course I do. We can render My question is it safe to recreate everything, frame buffer, etc. on? I want to have Vulkan frame buffer size equal to the window size. Forever, for example, on scaling the... I mean, okay, wait, I think actually I might know why. Can I just get once? Please. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna get it working. Then I can figure that shit out.
I'll
Okay.
be back.
First add a resize request boolean to the Vulkan engine class. What? On draw function, replace the call to VK acquire next to check error code. Okay. So here we're gonna do that. In the renderer, in the draw, here. Let's see, acquire next here. So we're gonna save a, I think I need to change const, result. No, that's, oh yeah, but that's the check. Now I just need to remove the VK check from there. It does return a Vulkan result, right? There, yep. Okay, I'm just gonna see what happens if I don't does this. Wow. Ah, yeah, it's unused. Unused local type. Okay. Anyways, if so, we do this. We acquire the next thing. We ask if result. Okay, I could actually present result. That's actually a pretty good name. I like it. I'm gonna use that idea. Present result is equal to VK. Let's see. VK error. It's not error. Out of date chronos. Also replace the call. Wait, no. So this is just, I'm reading a wrong thing. Wait, but that is no, that's acquire result. Yeah, I'm gonna acquire, set acquire result. Resized requests through. Also replace. Okay, so the percent, which is at the bottom. Once we're done, we're gonna remove this. Bro, how did I fuck that up? And honest. Now we can take this thing. Back. Send result. Like so. And then we can also take that same condition there, except for that I don't have, I want to see what they do with this thing, like what is that? Okay, now as we will stop rendering when it happens. You can resize the image and it will not crash, but it will also not draw again and just freeze the image. Let's add a resize swap chain function to Vulkan to recreate swap chain. So they have this, and then to resize the swap chain, we first begin by waiting until the GPU has finished the rendering command. I think I should look at. This is where I kind of prefer the old Vulkan tutorial, because that one creates I think, if I remember correctly, I create multiple draw images, which would be better. I'm gonna get some more tea.
That's good.
But also, then again, this one also uses dynamic rendering and a Vulkan memory allocator. So I mean, it's nice with some modern feature, but I think they could have gone a little bit deeper.
Bro, what's going on?
Hello. We're creating the recreation of the window.
Yeah, I can see that. What's the matter?
No, in this thing that I'm following, we just have one draw image and one depth image, which we then copy over to the swap chain, and we have multiple images in for the swap chain, you know, when we acquire them, but we have only one draw.
What the? Why aren't you using the swap chain image?
It was something with it's like the swap chain image apparently needed a specific format, and then they spoke something about like you can have a better format for drawing, and then you copy it over. When you operate on the thing, it's better to use a different format. They argued. That's why they are different. I can show maybe.
Don't understand.
So, right. So we can go to the init of the images. Here's the init and here. So if I take this for example, so here I can say to use R16, G16B, like for the format of this image, right? Which is
So you're doing an HDR rendering. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to do that.
HDR rendering. I don't know, bro. What short? what does that mean?
I mean, it means that you need a dynamic range, like a 16-bit floating point per channel instead of 8.
Yes.
It means that. Do you need that?
I don't know. They just said that this is better and you get better quality that you can later on copy over to the swap chain image.
Yeah, that is true. It's you can even go 32 if you want. But, it only makes sense if it makes sense to use that better quality.
Yeah, no, I guess it doesn't really hurt to have it maybe, or except for you have to do the copy command as well. That's the only thing that is kind of like hurting there. And that fact that I also need to store these things, and I'm yeah.
Well, I guess it makes sense if you want to do multi-sampling. Then yes, you can have multi-sampled rendering, MSAA, and then have a resolve a resolve pass in the same render pass, and that will be all automatic. So that's how usually you want to go with. But once you already done this, so no worries.
Yeah, no. I mean, I still think it's quite possible to still like. Well, I will see. It's not too bad to have it right now. It's just weird. But yeah.
But you have to recreate the swap chain anyway, so that doesn't change.
Yeah, no.
And you also have to wait for the device to be idle. You never know what it's doing. Even the copy command that could be on flight while you're doing the.
Yeah.
So you have to wait for it.
Yeah. Wait. To resize this option, we first begin by waiting until the GPU has finished all rendering commands. We don't want to change the images in views while the GPU is still handling them. Then we destroy the swap chain and then we query the window size from SDL and create it again. Now we need to call the function from the main run loop when the images resize. Right after SDL event loop and freeze rendering check. Add this before it also new frame. Okay, so if resize to request, resize swap chain. Right after this event loop.
You pretty much have to do that before like at the beginning of the rendering. You check if you need to resize, and then you wait idle, you resize, and then you keep going with the rendering.
Yeah, wait, let me see, like... I wonder, like, what's the best way? Is it... Yeah, is it better to have it outside in here? In the, like...
No, just keep it tight. Just keep it tight in the rendering, because that's where you're going to do the next acquire.
Yeah.
So just check if you need to resize it. Just doing it on fly. Nobody else is gonna need it anyway.
Yeah, no.
And it's cleaner.
Yeah. That makes sense. It's gonna see, and then... Okay. Okay. I guess I put the resize of the swap chain inside of the swap chain because I don't know. Let's see. You have the init, the init. Oh wait, I already have a recreate here that I don't. Well, that's crazy. Okay. What do we need? We need the. Do we actually need all these things? They wait for the device. I just take the physical. Oh wait, I have access. Yeah, no, I don't have access to device anymore in here, so I have to pass it in. Yep. So I'm gonna take in the logical device of the device. I'm just gonna call it device. Or actually. I think I might take in the VK device series. VK device. So. And then we just do device dot handle and then wait idle. And then have a destroy. Well, that's basically just me having to go through each of the images. Call dinit on them.
You have to call destroy swap chain.
Right. Wait, let me put the... I'm trying to figure out why is it looking so... I don't like this one line for loop.
You don't usually do anything to the images. They are handled by the swap chain, so you don't init the images.
Oh, it's wait, let me wait. Why is this not? I want it allow me because I don't want this on a one line. That's so. Okay, well that's fine. This is readable. Okay, so the init is just that these images are. Wait, did I change the images to not be a? Ah, they are actually just Vulkan images. Okay, I used to have them to be a class, but yeah, okay, that makes sense. I don't have to do that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We just do that. And then destroy swap chain and then create swap chain. This one is also outdated. This is also outdated. And should I just de-init itself and read that? It's starting to look kind of weird. Wait, let me think. Is it just the whole thing have to get recreated? Nah, I don't need to recreate the whole thing. What do they do when they destroy this?
You also have to recreate your render targets because they will have different size.
Yeah. I'm just trying to see like what they do inside of their recreate or destroy swap chain. What does that function do? Markdown, markdown, markdown. Hey, come on. Okay, it's not in. Okay. There. And then chapter 4. Where is this? Where is it coming from? I don't see it. I just call it, but I don't see where it's coming from. Let's see. Oh, there it was. Wait. There. So they destroy the thing, and then for each image, they destroy each swap chain image view. Which I don't even... Wait, what? How is that? I don't even store that. So they just destroy all of the images and then they destroy all of the image views, but swap chain image views.
Up.
That's not very
What's up?
nice.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yo, how are you guys doing?
We are okay. How
surviving.
about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
I should be better.
Damon, you're working with Whalef? How is Damon not here?
He should be.
I don't know. But yeah, I think he's working with Raylib. I think he's become a C user.
Yeah. About time.
Neovim C.
Yeah.
Also, Teshef, I just warned you that your mic is like picking up absolutely everything. It's very high quality.
I don't know if you can call back. Okay, wait. I will fix that real quick.
Yeah, I recommend changing the Discord setting.
Wait. How is it now? I'm typing. Wait.
Well, we still hear the keyboard, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I
Wait,
will test out real quick.
They're actually
Yeah.
just destroying the whole thing and just recreating it.
Wait, are you still hearing it?
Nope, now it's good.
Okay, fine.
Is
Yeah,
it
I'm using
actually-
like this program Noise Torch.
Oh,
Yes.
teacher! Teacher!
Damon!
What up?
I
Did you
see.
get some gains today or what?
What do you mean games in there?
I don't know,
Gains.
do some pull-ups.
Oh, gains.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You ripping? You tearing those muscles?
I am.
You know what they say? You gotta like rip them so they heal back twice as strong. You know.
Yeah. Same as shaving the beard, you know?
That's why they say you gotta get ripped. You know.
Mm. Yeah. Exactly.
I think he is onto something.
I think so too.
Dude, I think I'm on something.
I think so too, though.
And Harold, what are you doing
Yo.
right now?
Me and
I'm
Harold beat
making
Valheim in 80 hours.
Yeah.
What you're making? Valheim?
No. What I'm making
No.
a Wayland Sig binding, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Did you see
Yeah,
that
I
video
just-
I sent you, Chef?
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Wait, did I send you a? Oh yeah, I did. Yeah.
Actually, I don't need to destroy the semaphores.
No, did I? No, wait. No, I didn't send you shit. Apparently.
You did, like 2 pictures, 2 images.
Oh no, fuck that. That was just some random shit.
Oh, right, I
Yeah,
call them
that one.
frame
Yeah.
data, that's right.
Oh, I've already seen that. I got
This?
the
Can you send
yeah,
it
I
to
got a
me?
notification.
Can you send it to me? I've probably seen it.
Mm.
Huh? No, it's us just like fighting the dragon. Like you don't gotta watch. It's a whole
Mm.
hour long.
Yeah,
I was
it's
fighting
good
the dragon
through it.
an hour.
Yeah,
Yeah, it got
the whole
like a
video is like an
pre.
hour.
I don't know why I would watch this though, because I was there.
It's just so badass. I don't know what you're talking about.
Mm, right. Why is the video
We
already at
cooked with
30
this boss
minutes?
fight.
Chef, did you watch
'Cause it-
30 minutes of
No,
this?
no, 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 no. That's the timestamp I picked because it's like us just coming back, and then that's when he first summoned the minions, and I was like, damn, it was so badass. But
Oh,
like
what's
you can
up?
see it from my point of view.
Doxaki's
Damn,
using
your
the
game
Twitch
was
Like,
like
chat.
so. Look at the Doxakis.
Yes.
Doxy's kiss.
He says, glad to see you grind and keep it up. Good work, Lucas. Thank you, you too, Doxakis. I know
No,
I know him by
the
his real
wheel.
name. He's a Greek god.
What is it?
Alright.
Yeah, his
Damn.
name is probably Vulkan.
Vulkan. V for
Yeah.
Vulkan.
Nah, Vulkan is Roman. This is Vulkan.
Okay. I don't think I need to do all of these things actually, because this is a bit overkill. What I will do instead.
Lucas, what are you doing right now? Oh, do I see recreation of the swap chain?
You are seeing the recreation of the swap.
No, he's
chain.
not on there just yet.
Ah, okay. I'm not there yet.
He's not
Isn't
quite
it
there
like
yet.
super easy? You just gotta like create the new swap chain and
Yeah,
put it
No,
over.
no, he spent all day yesterday not worrying about it.
Yeah, that's right. Fuck. Because I'm a bit concerned about the whole... Like... Okay, I guess the easiest thing would just be to just completely obliterate the whole thing and just create it again, but I don't need to do that. Like, I don't need to
No, you
destroy...
can. You know what I did? What I did in Blavi, I did. Oh, wait, you don't want to destroy the command buffers?
No, I would just... Well,
Or what?
I would. And I would just create them again. Because I have a command buffer for every individual image.
No, he just destroyed them and just keep them destroyed.
Yeah, just do that.
Like, and then the
Like,
semaphores, I don't
create
need to
them
destroy
again.
them, I don't need to destroy the fences, I could still reuse this
You do.
information I could still keep.
Trust me, bro.
But
You have to.
Yeah,
Otherwise-
Lucas, what I did in Blavi is that also like for better performance that the swap chain doesn't recreate on like every small window resize, but only when you basically when you are wait, I can't explain it.
nah, I'm
by words.
noticing.
No. No, I think I didn't say what I wanted to say.
No, I think you said exactly what you wanted to say.
Like Harold probably knows what I mean.
Yeah, I know exactly what you
because-
mean.
Okay,
I was
I'm just gonna
literally
make it
one
the,
who was
Yeah,
the
you
worst
were-
possible
yeah.
way that I
You
can.
suggested it, so
I'm gonna make
Yeah.
it in the most stupid way I possibly can know to do it, but I'm gonna get it done. That's the point here, alright?
Ah, so your mom.
Well, apart from that.
yeah, that's basically my whole project that I'm doing right now in a nutshell.
Your mom? Is that your new project?
Here.
No.
So I
Interesting.
don't know.
Writing
I
shit
don't
code.
understand because I don't have any image
Uh-huh.
views, but that's because I never. Where do I?
How
I don't-
can't you? Why don't you have image views?
Because I
What
only
did
have-
you do?
I'm only
How
using the
does that
ones for
program even
the
work?
that I use. I'm just using the ones that I have in the draw image, but I don't have any image views for the actual swap chain. Like, this is all I got. I got images. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Should I have image views
Damn.
as well? I'm not sure.
But why does it even work then? Wait. But where are your? You said you have image views, right?
Because it wouldn't work since when do you have subs, lol? I got it since a while back. Thank you for the subscription. Oh wait. because you have to use image views, right?
Yeah, you have
Like you cannot.
to.
Let's see. Image view. That's for the draw image. And then not here. Here no. Image view self here. Yeah. So
Nothing.
I just take
Wait,
from
nothing?
the. Wait, is this still in the init? No, this is in the draw. Yeah. I just take from the depth and from the draw image the image views. I don't. Yeah. That's what I do.
And how do you create them? Like the image views from them?
Those are created
Depth
here
and
from the
draw.
start. I should have like actually I think one for like
Oh yeah.
for every image on the swap chain that I actually render, I should have one image, one draw
Yeah.
image, and one depth. Wait, depth image could. No, I need one for each, right? I should have, but I don't. So that's why it's a bit
Yeah.
weird. But I also why I have this draw image, right? Is because then I could use the high definition rendering, which it's completely overkill for what I'm trying to do, but.
But wait, do you even right now? Are you in your main loop basically where you draw?
This is the
Are
initialization.
you? Yeah, but if you go to the main loop where you basically draw the stuff,
Mm-hmm.
where you submit the things, the queues, you know,
Mm-hmm.
do you wait then for everything to be finished, or do you have like proper synchronization set up? Because
I do use like the current frame render fence.
like I'm just thinking, how can it even work? Like if you use like multiple frames in flight, you only have like one image view, right? So
Yeah.
then it would get problematic.
I'm going back to my own code and keep it up. Hopefully you have high graduation. No, I won't be there. Not yet. I haven't made it yet. Oops. No, it's fine. It's fine. Whoa, where did it go? But yeah, like that's what I also was wondering, because I only have 2,000 frames, but it's only a triangle also. But I think that's why not just come for us? You are welcome to stay at my. Oh man.
He's inviting you to your home. He's a
Yeah.
pedo. Get him.
He's
Hey, yo!
he's the Greek guy. When is wait, I have to see when the
This
date
piece
is.
of shit.
I will look into it. I don't promise anything, but I will take
He
a
ain't
look.
coming.
He ain't coming.
He ain't coming.
I need to write it down. Check. We'll see. All right. Now, I think actually what I should fix is to have multiple draw images. I arrived to Finland
But I
at
would
26th
first do now
evening. Rad is 27th. You're welcome to stay. You know, take care. All right, thank you,
Lucas
Toxakis.
first to-
See ya. Or I will take care. You too, man. What?
first to recreation of a swap chain.
Yeah, like that's where I'm kind of like. I don't have any image views to destroy them, but the problem is that I'm gonna be using image views which is associated with the draw image, and then the draw image is not being recreated.
Yeah, but just don't care for the image views right now, you know? Just make the destroy swap chain function and do everything you need to destroy right now, and then you can basically have the create swap chain function and like then recreate.
Makes
And
sense.
like later you can just add the image views to create and destroy.
Yeah, we will do that. So we'll just call the destroy here, which is for now it's just a VK. Do I need a try? No, I don't need VK. Destroy vk.c.vk destroy swap chain chronos, and then here we'll have to pass in the device dot handle what. Okay, just gonna do this. Bam. Alright, what else do it? It does need the actual swap chain, which we get from self swap chain. Then it will need the allocator, which will be null. Is that it? I think that's it. Alright, so now we have basically destroyed the swap chain. Then
Like,
it's
wait,
just
wait.
then it's a crate. And crate swap chain is supposed to just right. I don't want to initialize call init on this thing because that will just overwrite all the values. I just need basically. Oh wait, do I actually need this? I actually need to do this whole thing anyways, don't I? I need to get this again, format again,
Yeah.
and then I need to do this thing again. I need to create this thing. And well, I don't need to do this.
No,
This
but I
don't
would
need.
just do. Yeah, you know. This you don't. Yeah.
Easy would just be to deinitialize the
Though-
whole thing and recreate it, but I actually just need this first part, which I could also make into another function. So you have init, and then I just have a create swap chain, which is just this part, and then I could just call it also from here, and then I could reuse it over here in the create. Right? I guess that makes sense. So I'm just gonna do a pub create swap chain, and we're just gonna take basically this from here, like so, and then we're gonna put it in here, and then it will return just the swap chain. Wait, hold on, we also need to, no, that's all we need to do. So we'll just return this thing. And we need to do an error return, and then what we need to take in is the physical device. Like so. And we need the surface handle. Why is it... Right, I put it in the wrong place. Well, I'm a bit of a troll, you know?
Oh my god, bro. Okay, guys, you wanna hear something? So you
Let's
you guys
hear it.
know about you guys know about Wayland?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I thought their sea headers are like a total mess. It's actual trash. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make a sig generator based on their XML file, you know.
Yeah.
But their XML file is also trash.
That makes
It's
sense.
all garbage. Yeah, nothing is usable. They don't try to even adhere to standards. Like they're calling structures interfaces and functions requests. Like what?
No, that's
What are they
crazy to
on,
be
man?
honest. What the fuck?
Lucas naming be like,
Hey, my naming is not even that bad, alright? I'm just...
almost.
Half of Wayland is written in camel case. Other half
Yeah,
snake case.
exactly.
Okay, now that's more my
First
style.
Yeah. But like they forgot to just have a thing in the file also. There's just missing XML data, so my thing is like broken because of this. Oh my god, bro. They're
Oh my
trash.
god.
They're garbage. Well, actually, it's fine, but it's whatever.
Fuck. Now I need
Yeah, I
the
gotta go with the Augsburg.
chosen format.
Okay.
Do I actually need the chosen? I cannot access it, no, because this is just a... It's not a... Bruh. Yeah, no. Should I also return a tuple? Oh, that's a bit cringe.
Tuple?
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Or I could just also just... let's see. Surface gets physical device, surface format. I could extract that also to be of separate function. Yeah, we'll also make this into a function, then I can reuse it. It will be stupid, but it will be less stupid than returning a tuple. Just gonna do this because I will fuck it up otherwise. Let's see. Get surface format. Yeah. Why am I making them public? These ones don't need to be public. These ones are just for internal use. I think I'm fucking something up. And then we'll take this from here. Format count also needs to come. Do any capabilities? Wait, hold on. Don't I need... Or is that just... Yeah, that's just for that. Okay. So we'll take this from here. Put it in here. Bam. Like so. We don't need those things. And then here. And then we'll just return this. Chosen format, like so. And then I can just do this. Maybe I should also give it now. Wait, release there. What? Chosen format. Hold on. There's no way there's. Format that. Oh, it is actually. Okay, I can't do that. I have to do it above. Or what? Chosen form. Like so. Oops. And then chosen format. Yeah, okay. But now I don't have a guarantee that it will get the same. Maybe I should have done a tuple. Const. Yeah, this is just actually worse in hindsight now. Because now I shouldn't be calling it twice. That's just really stupid. It's way better just to do it once than give that return. Yeah, because now this it gives potential to do stupid stuff, and you know that's not good. Okay, fuck it. We're not doing this. I don't want it to be possible to make a fuck up by accident, and this is gonna allow me to do fuck ups by accident. Tuple is the best option I got to not make a fuck up by accident. This should actually also return. It doesn't lol. Okay. So what we'll do is in here. I don't remember. Was it just struct? No, not like that. Struct. And then we just need this as well, like so. Yes. And then we can do a return. And here we pass in the swap chain and the chosen format. Like so. So then in here,
I'm black.
Nice.
I come back.
Hey, who put that L in there?
Hey,
You
yo.
put the L in your yeah. I put the L in your name.
Oh, big L.
Yeah, exactly. Big L. Yeah, I think we should call it as Big L.
What the fuck?
Yeah, what's up, Big L?
Oh, that's
Big L. Mm.
that's just fucked up.
Yep. That's right.
I don't need to do that.
You know what else is fucked up?
Don't tell me.
You. Oh, so funny.
Harold, what am I doing wrong now?
Well,
Isn't this how you return
Probably everything.
a tuple thing?
a tuple.
Yeah, well, a structure.
Tuple.
Oh, bro, I'm
Mm,
retarded. Isn't
Not
it
a
just?
tuple, a tuple.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Mm,
That's what I
yes.
said.
Tuple, bro, shut up, shut
Yeah, I
up.
love
Like, don't you mean a
tuples.
tuple?
Tuple.
Mm.
Tuppleware. You know
Okay.
how you just how you deconstruct a tuple.
Tuple, bro, shut up. All right.
A tuple. Go to where you're returning the tuple. I mean, where you're using this function create swap chain, so you can get your tuple.
Fuck you.
Go up there, man. Yeah, that's right.
Tuple.
Go up, man.
Yeah.
A tuple, yeah, exactly. So after this var swap chain, do comma const whatever the thing is.
Oh, so now I can just chosen format.
Chosen, yeah, this is the chosen tuple. Yeah, that's right.
He's like,
The chosen tuple.
he was wheezing out.
Yeah, I love tuples. Tuples are so funny.
Expected type Vulkan surface.
Guys,
And
do
it's
you
like
like
you forgot
tuples?
to put an extra P in there.
No, fuck
Yeah,
your P.
tuple.
Oh my God.
Tuple.
Surface.
No,
Oh wait,
tuple.
I got
Tuple. So stupid.
tuple.
Tuple.
Shut
Tuple.
Shut your bitch ass.
Shh. Tuple.
Okay. Fuck you. You're an awful human.
Yeah, that's right.
hey. We
Awful
were just
human
playing.
being. You say? took it long enough.
Took you long enough. Oh my
Right,
days.
Harold will let you swap his chain
Whoa.
any
Please,
day.
chain.
That's it.
Okay.
That's just crazy.
T-Chef, he's like swap his chain.
Nah, bro, I'm just so dumb right now. I'm trying to.
Anyways,
Guys. If you want a bit not to be a 1 anymore, you just gotta move that bit shift it into the position where you want it to be, then invert all the bits so it's 0, and then just add it. Yeah, damn, yeah, I know it.
But don't forget the tuple.
Okay.
Yeah,
tuple.
luckily we don't have it and see, so I can't make this mistake. But what mistake I'm doing right now is I can't find the key on the keyboard that types in the cooked symbol.
Damn.
Cooked chat.
Cooked.
Bro, how can you make a squiggly line? You know, like
A squiggly line?
A
Yeah, you do
tilt.
Alt G R,
Yeah.
and then it's like the little up arrow.
Do I need the format?
What up arrow?
It's like
The normal up arrow.
well, no, it's like to the left bottom of backspace. It's like a dot, and then to the right bottom there's a little squiggly line. It is for me, but I'm also using a Swedish keyboard, so.
No.
Yeah, I don't know, man. You can
Oh, it worked!
Wait,
Damn.
did the thing I say work?
Yeah.
I'm so good. I'm the master of this.
Well, let's not get too fancy.
Too fancy? Well, that's what your mom said.
What was the first thing? The physical device.
Nope.
Itself, that logical device or device. Now I need a surface. Oh, actually, I have access to the surface. That's crazy. What?
Wait, guys, just so that I'm not
So
completely not cooking right now.
You're not completely
I
cooking.
sent the code in VC chat. Yeah. Okay, damn, bro, this formatting makes it really easy to read.
gay. I don't, formatting's for noobs, am I right?
Yeah, but if you make the window bigger, you can see it with the white formatting. So, Harold, if you see it, right? And
See
now
what?
imagine the code that I sent in.
Oh, I know. I haven't seen it. You sent code. Where? What?
Actually, I need
In
access
VC chat.
to.
How is this chat?
Because the renderer will
Oh,
not know
pop-up.
what size it
If
should be set
pop-up.
to right now.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, Harold, pop-ups is basically a bit field, which says which pop-up is currently active. So if this one is active, then like I want to do something and then I want to reset it so it's not active anymore, right? Oh wait, that's
What in the Windows API is this?
so
Well,
that's the best thing that I came up with for pop-ups.
I mean, I guess.
In the Windows
But
But I
API,
just
is this
realized
Yeah.
it doesn't work like that, bro, because yeah, I need to set it in there.
Yeah. Hello? Are you guys here?
Nope,
Yeah.
Okay. That's crazy.
we ain't.
Damn.
You were never here. Also, my Wayland XML sig binding creation thingy is so scuffed because I'm not using an XML loader. I'm just raw dogging this. Nice, hoping it works.
That sounds about right.
Yeah, because why parse XML where you can just look if the line contains the thing we want?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then inside of main here. Let's see, it goes through here.
Bro, I hate it, bro. I'm compiling my C code with such strict flags. It fucking gives me errors on unused parameters and unused variables, bro. I'm feeling like
yeah,
sick.
this is sick.
Like I want that, but not every time, and it just nah, bro.
Yeah, you want that, but not every time. Not too bad. That ain't a choice.
Yeah. Gotta die one way, right?
Yep.
That. W dot get.
Hey, nice, I'm getting a seg fault.
Delightful.
Size. And what does this thing return? It returns a... What? How do I get...
Damn, I'm guys, I'm indexing in a null pointer with a -1 index. I think that like
Same.
yeah.
Size.
You know, I want to get the address before null.
Right.
Have you ever thought about that?
Nope.
Not really.
Damn.
I didn't even... I can't do multiple things. I didn't even hear the question. Let's see, what is this? Accepted error union found. So wait. Yeah, I don't need to try anymore. Like so, boom, easy peasy. And same for this thing. Okay. Now this in theory should work. Let's see if it does in practice. Expected utility found use size 112 in main. So these are use size. Well, I guess I can just change them to be use size. Also here. So, and then same for this thing. I will just take them in as use size. And then in here, just before passing them in, these things I won't change to be use size anymore. Actually, I think it's easier if I just actually let these ones be 32. And then here, I'll just cast them because here they're the easiest to read. Int cast. Try. Does this actually need a... Yeah, it needs a try. Okay. Release proof. Okay, let's see. Error union is ignored. Sigmain. Right. Was that just a coincidence that it worked? Nah, okay, good. Let's see. Okay, at least it seems to be consistent in booting up. No, that's not a window error, that's a mesh error. Okay. That's mesh error again. Okay, it's actually consistent in booting up, so I guess we got it actually working. Damn. That's crazy.
Fire shit.
Now, when I resize the window, it's because of the image views, most likely. Oh, wait, no, image barrier. Wait, hold on. Memory object handle image. Wait, what does it say? Image barrier image invalid image object. Image must be valid image handle. So do I need to recreate the image handles as well? Because it doesn't seem to... I need to change the image handles in here. Those are still the same. But it's... Does the swap chain even know about... If I recreate the swap chain and don't create the image handles, are those things then separate things? Probably they are, right? Aren't they?
Wait, what do you mean?
If I destroy the swap chain, like I have created a swap chain once, and then I have polled to get all of the image handles that I need for the swap chain, right? So now I got the swap chain and the image handles. Then I destroy the swap chain, I create a new swap chain. Those old image handles, I also need to destroy them and create new ones based on the new swap chain, right?
Or do you?
Because at least they say that they're invalid right now, and I didn't think that those would be. I thought they were something separate from... No, why would they be? Wait. Do you actually have to destroy them? The only thing that I don't need to destroy then on the recreation is this, but these things I still have to create all over again. Because frame data can still be persistent, I think. But this thing I have to destroy each image. So I would have to go... Wait, what? Do I? Wait a minute. Do I ever call destroy images? Do I have to? No, because I just get image handles. Yes. So I just have to get new ones once again. That's all I have to do. Image count. And this could be...
Damn, guys, I'm kind of dumb.
Oh, I knew that.
That's
But
alright.
I didn't dare to say anything, but now when you said it, yeah, I was thinking of bringing this up, but I'm glad that you
Where-
realized it.
Guys, imagine you do something like, I wanted to do something and a window pops up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I thought, maybe I can just do it without creating a new window. And I basically made a pop-up in the thing. So if you click it, it draws like a rectangle pop-up and stuff. Everything looked well. And then I thought, like, but damn, bro, I can't move it. Like, it needs to be a window, bro.
Nah, make this the rendering API. Just spawning windows into the frame buffer of
Yeah.
the main window.
This is...
Wait, Lucas, if you're finished with the thing you're doing right now, you need to look at what I cooked up.
Wait, this is probably the most illegal way of doing this, what I'm doing right now, but I think it will be a coincidence that it will work. Oh, fuck.
Just imagine if internet guy would be here.
Let's see, now it's the image views. Because now it says create swap chain, Chronos, create image extent, which is outside of the bounds returned by VK physical device capabilities extent. I need to create a new capabilities. Yes, oh my god.
Yeah.
Ah. Yeah, because it's still using the old capabilities from here, which when I create swap chain... Wait, hold on. No, wait, that should still be valid, shouldn't that? Physical device handle, surface handle capabilities. Because it's still used... This should be valid. That's a bit weird. If I do a recreation on that, that should be fine. That's not fine, but don't worry about it, we'll fix it sometime. Okay, come on. There. Why? Okay, I can check quickly. What do you have?
Yeah.
Oh,
JetBrains
no, it's
Rider
not
has,
so quick, so
render
do your
log
thing
thing
first.
now. You
Okay.
take snapshots.
Let's
Hey, Lucas?
see. What?
I said JetBrains has like a render docs thing now, so you can take snapshots of whatever you're doing.
Really?
So to inspect draw calls and GPU stages. Yeah, like it's a new little thing I've never seen here before. It's called Frame Viewer.
Frame viewer. Wait.
Yeah, but new one is better.
Like, yeah, I'm gonna take just a screenshot here, and I'll just send it to you.
All
So you
right.
can get more context to what the hell
Yeah.
I'm talking about.
Wait, screen. What was it called?
There, it's a Frame Viewer. Frame Viewer by Ryder, and I sent the screenshot there. You can take a look.
No chef snapshot loaded. That's crazy, bro. I'm trying to find something.
No,
that
I don't have a snapshot.
Yeah. But Rider it's I don't know if it's compatible with Sig.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's yeah. I've used Zig and Ryder.
Ah,
They probably just use it in CLI and probably be good.
damn. Okay, but I need to figure this shit out. Wait, create chrono, which is outside the bound returned by get physical device capabilities current extent width, min extent width, height, max extent width, height. Yeah, that's a bit. Is it just that it did it so? Am I just doing something really stupid right now?
Intern.
No. We're gonna. What am I doing?
Wait, are you? Wait, are you?
What?
Wait. How are you setting the width and height of a swap chain?
Oh, what the fuck?
Or you take it in as parameters?
Yeah, no, this is right. Yeah, and I take them. When I recreate it, I get them through here with.
Yeah, okay, I see. And on your recreation, you pass in the correct width and height, right?
Let's see. Wait, I'm thinking. Yeah. So wait, where do we have create? Here, this thing is so fucking hidden. With height. There should be with height.
Yeah, but I mean, when you call recreate swap chain.
Yeah. So that
Also.
that comes from the renderer, which is just.
You just have. Oh yeah, no, I know. I already know it. Like if you get like this.
Hmm?
Okay.
And it comes from here.
Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Draw something with extend, right?
Yeah, it's just.
But you're setting the swap chain extend.
It's saying that. Why is there a pnex message? Create swap chain surface capabilities current extent. So I tried to put it to this apparently, but min extent is 905, height is 804, and then max is this. So I'm going below and below both of this min somehow. Like this one is just set. How did that even? It should start a. Wait. When I start the thing, it should be at 900, 800. So I mean, somehow it's still updated, but then it was just fucked when it tried to create it. But it seems like it created it once at least, and then it got fucked when it tried to. Next time it recreated it again, because it's recreating it as soon as I'm starting to move, so it's doing multiple recreations.
Wait, go to create swap chain. Yeah, damn. So wait, you said you maybe know what the problem is? Wow.
I have no idea what the problem is.
Because like I'm thinking it doesn't even make sense that the min extent is that high, you know? So like
I mean, I just put min extent to the extent that I'm trying to resize to. But it should, I don't know.
yeah, that's image extent, not min extent.
Where is the min taken from then? Max. Oh, that's surface capabilities. But those are recreated every time I recreate the thing. Like, I don't. Image min count. No, that's image min count. Pre-transform. I don't know.
I've used that in Blav.
Old swap chain? Yeah, surface should be valid. I mean, my best options that I could think of is using the intern for now.
Nice.
I'm just gonna do a git add, git commit,
Oh, there we go. Yep. Now.
Okay, wait, Lucas, how I do it? in Blavi is this. Wait, I will send you the code. But it shouldn't make a difference. But because like, I'm really the same. But yeah.
that is, except for that if surface capable extend width. Okay, so you
Yeah.
just check that it's nothing too crazy happens.
No. I think 0xFFF is when I remember it that it's. I think this is the value that they give you if you should set the width and height yourself. I think so.
Oh, okay. Maybe I need it then. Yeah.
Maybe look into service capabilities, current extent, and stuff.
Yeah.
Because I forgot what this value
I
exactly
can do
means.
that real quick then. Yeah. I would assume that they should talk about it in this place then, but let's see. There. And then you're checking the current extent. Wow, my internet speed is so crazy. Let's see. Here.
Wait. There was a min image extent.
Yeah, but
What?
Is the current width and height of the surface or the typical
yeah.
value indicating that the surface size will be determined by the extent of the swap chain target in the surface? What does that even mean? The smallest valid swap chain extent for the surface on the specific device with I think I'm just gonna quickly move this over to here. Actually,
But I
no.
think this isn't so important. I'm not gonna.
It's gonna cd projects. We're gonna check that I got the API keys correct. Can we even get like Vulkan specs also to the thing? I don't know. That seems to be alright, so I'm just gonna do this. And then we can just put it in here. Wow. Whoa. Okay. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Maybe put the validation error into AI because I'm just curious. Like, min extent shouldn't be this high. Like, it just doesn't make sense.
Okay, let's see a little bit more. Whoa. Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. Physical device property, physical device, return void. Okay, I don't know really if.
SPAC was printing the whole Vulkan spec.
Yeah. I don't think these are like errors. I think this is literally just information. It's really hard to read. Like, what's an issue here? Well, let me just make this one so I can actually see all of the error messages on one line. Oh, it's not big enough yet. We need a little bit larger. Wait. Soon my whole Wayland will crash because I'm making this screen too big. Oh my god, brother. Okay. Let's go, Claude. Okay. So /sigdocs, and then we're gonna talk about give it the error message. First of all, I'm just gonna go into main and we're gonna take out this thing again because I'm not needing that. Sick build. And we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna be like, hey, the thing doesn't work, fix it. I'm gonna take this. What are you talking about? Wait, tool use sig docs get std lib item std print temperature. Yes, I think. Yes, I think. I have no idea what I'm saying yes to, but I think I'm saying yes to the right things. Great. Great.
It's like when you're on a website and you just accept all the terms of services. Yes, yes, accept cookies, yes.
Can you help me figure out why my recreate swap chain does not work at swap chain? Looking at the swap chain, I can see the issue. The problem is when you recreate, you're using requested width and height parameters directly instead of using actual surface capabilities. Is that what I'm actually supposed to do? Well, no wonder. Is that
Right,
what I'm
but
supposed?
where does it take actual extent?
It comes from the surface capabilities when
answer
you
your
when you
question
query
right away?
for it. Wait, are you doing that in yours? Because when you query for them here,
No, I'm not.
because it's
Oh, like, okay, wait, no, wait. I am because, wait, you know the if statement?
yeah.
Because this checks if you should take care of itself. And if you should take care of itself, I will manually set them. And else, I'm just using, you see the line after that, I'm just using the extent from the surface capabilities. So I am.
Yes, you are. Yes.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, but I will
Okay.
do that. I think it did. Let's see. So now actual extent. Let's see here. So then here. Oh wait, I need to switch the music a little bit. Okay. What is now suggesting? What is this? Now I need to also update init function to store the actual extent used, not the requested dimension. Oh yeah, that's true. Okay. That wait, what the but that is kind of a okay, now we're starting to have some duplication and I don't like that.
Man, this ain't some duplication is fine, doesn't matter.
Oh, if you because that will allow people to do stupid things when you don't want them to do stupid things. Now this I don't like.
Man.
What people?
I don't want people. Okay, I'm just gonna run it once just to see does that actually work. Nah. Oh?
It does work.
Something worked, but something else didn't.
What? Why is it black now?
Oh, it's the blit image. Let's see.
That's
Blit image region 0 offset. Yeah, is 929 exceeds the sub destination. Yes, because now I have those image views, which uses a different size, and then the blit
Okay.
goes fucked.
But then you basically have it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh no.
What's happening?
Okay. Yeah, because I have the device on idle as long as it takes for things to work.
Oh yeah, I remember. I also had this.
Okay, but let's see. I want to see now what this damn AI did actually to the. At least it just yeah, it didn't do anything in here. No, I don't see anything change. Everything that happened was in here, which is completely fine. It changed a little bit in the init, and then it changed a little bit here. I think all of those are fine. Yes, those are all fine. So what it did here is that it queried for the capabilities, and I don't care about that.
And just use the extent.
Yeah, then an actual extent here, it took the maximum of the min extent and wait. Ah, so it takes the maximum that is possible from. Why is it using both the image extent max and min? Like, shouldn't it always be?
Got min and max.
Yeah. So it takes the minimum of these two, because if this one is smaller than this one, then it's fine to use. It else will want to always try to use this one. Yeah, because that's kind of like the max. And then it takes the max between min. Okay, I guess it's fine. Oh yeah, because we don't wanna, I don't know. And then same for the height, and then it just put the actual thing that we got, and then it probably added the same thing in here. So we get in, and then it just assigns that to the actual extent. Well, okay, that's not too crazy. That's actually kind of valid. I don't mind that. The only thing I hate is that it's duplicated over here and over there.
Oh my.
We need to make a new class
You could,
for
you,
it.
you could just make. Can't you just
No,
make like
it doesn't have to be a new
like
class.
a shared method?
I'm thinking
Like
there's
like
definitely room
like
for just making this like shared logic.
You're talking about tuples. Can't you do like a tuple return with it?
Tuples.
So you can
Yeah.
use the same method again.
Tuples. Shut your.
Tuples.
Can somebody kick Harold?
No.
I think this will stack for you, Lucas, for the rest of your life.
Yep, you're cooked.
Bro, how could
It is the exact same thing, but you have it as like a const. So can't you just like have it as like something you can just like grab and just throw it at something? You know. Change
It's
from
like
const
the
to, like,
thing is
R.
that the init here the thing doesn't exist before this, so I cannot use self in here in any kind of context. Because the self doesn't exist. Well, I guess I could use an allocator and create it here and pass it in, but that would be also like kind of like.
Yeah, whatever. Just write. It's 3 lines if you backspace the 1 colon.
I guess it's fine. I will get to it when I see a little bit more clearer picture. Right now it's not too bad, right? But it's a little bit annoying because I feel like I could easily start doing something I should not be doing, because that should all happen in one swoop. Yes. But now these things.
Homeboy did his job.
Yes.
Back to rest he goes.
Now we have
No.
the lit image info.
He's retired.
Retired.
Yeah,
Actually, we have a-
retired, but the I is an E. And
what I
then you
understood was this
change the
shouldn't be
entire
an
word out.
issue with the actual because they mentioned it also in here that shouldn't be. Can I just exit? Yes. Like, this shouldn't actually be an issue, but apparently it is. But okay, it's fine. We'll fix it. So you should be able to resize the image now without running into errors, but if you make a window bigger, it will fail. We were going past the size of our draw image. Okay, yeah, that's why. So I could make it smaller. Is that the thing? Let's see. If my stream crashes, it has been a pleasure to be alive today.
Boss final words.
Okay, well, something went wrong. Does not match surface
What the
marking
fuck
option
is
out
this
of date.
piece of shit?
Yeah, but I don't catch out of date. Right.
Out of date. Damn, do they have a subscription plan for Vulkan nowadays?
Yes. I just capture. What did I capture? Wait, where's the render there? I just captured the error. Oh, bro, I am not using my brain. No, wait, that's
Yeah, we know.
error out of date. That should be fine.
Yeah. Just look at my stream.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
Yeah, I just gotta mess it up a bit so I can actually get to the file. Wait.
Image
Okay,
extend.
it still worked. Okay, anyways, we're in the build.sig, as you can see. And
Wait, hello?
hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, bro, I don't know, bro. Discord just fucking rage baits me and says, "Yo, we cannot hear you, bro. Your mic isn't recording."
What?
Okay, but then
No, we'll need to
Wait,
call
I
this
guess I'll
function
mess
for
up
the
this
main
file.
run. Okay, wait. But if you make the window bigger, it will
Okay.
fail. We are going past the size of our draw image. And
Okay, so to shift this all was auto-generated.
damn.
draw extent
Yeah,
level,
from
making
this
sure it-
stupid XML file. Yeah, and it all sucks, and it's all trash, and it's not usable. But you know, it's
Back
it's
to
for
the
a good
draw
cause.
function. We calculate the draw extent at the start of it.
But wait, does it work now? Is that everything you need, or?
Nah.
Damn.
Yeah, well, that was my presentation.
That's a
Yeah,
crazy
good luck.
presentation.
I'm excited what you will cook.
Yeah, no, I won't cook more on this. I this was mainly for me to learn a bit more about the build system, you know, code generation and shit. Yeah, and I figured out that that it sucks. It's trash.
Okay, we can actually use this.
Never using this again.
Okay,
Yeah,
wait, Lucas,
cooking
can you
is
take a look at
shit.
my thing? No, because I want to sleep.
Let me just
Nah, you don't.
paste in
you
this
don't-
code snippet
Yeah.
and I can do it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, and let's just also like implement the rest of the engine,
Yeah,
Bishop, and then
Yeah,
you
wait.
can show
Let's
off
have
the
weight
stuff.
tracing real quick.
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck?
Wait, you should also be able to use it on a VR headset. No.
Oh hell. Me
Wait.
looking at this code.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Hey now. Swap chain. Should I? Wait, what the fuck? What is it tripping about? There is a thing called swap chain here. I'm a hunt, bro. Yeah.
LSP is on wage baiting mode.
Yeah, it's for real, bro. I'm going mad. And then I'm gonna add a render scale. I'm just gonna say render scale 1. I'm not that too. No field name height in Vulkan image. What? Ah. Draw image. Wait, what? I don't store that. Where the fuck do they get that from? Do they even use this anywhere? Yeah, here for this thing. Okay, so I just need to figure out the viewport. Where do we call the viewport? What? How do I do? Oh, image extent is what I call it. Bruh. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, we're getting there. T-Chef real close now.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then the same goes for these ones. Wait, did I do a typo? Draw extent. Ah, because they. Why would they have draw extent? Do I have a draw extent?
Guys, all I want to say is that
No, I don't.
every single API for opening windows are trash. Absolute garbage.
I agree.
And the best one is the one that has the least amount of usability,
Okay, but that's
which is
fine.
X11.
But now I'm talking about. Okay, now I'm just gonna leave it there. We're gonna fix it later. At least it's somewhat on the way. Now I can see what you have to say, T-Chef. Wait, let me see. Where is your shit, T-Chef?
Wait, you need to clone it and run it on your PC.
Oh, okay.
It's
Yeah.
a virus.
Okay, wait, I sent you for the repository.
Send it to me too. Oh, I know what it is.
Yeah, but
I already
I
know
worked a
this.
little bit more.
Time to get my virus installed. Let's go, boys.
If it doesn't work now, bro, I made it work on Windows, bro, and it needs to work now.
Do I already have your... Are you in my best friends list, T-Chef? Okay, you will be in my best friends list now.
Yeah.
Lift?
Yes.
That's the shift
Me
lift.
too. Me too. Me too.
Oh, it's in the hardware again.
Yeah, you're not only in my best friends list, you're also in my hardware.
Damn. Okay, so wait, this is actually like, if you now make it, this is like the game, but I didn't work on the game for like... Oh, wait, bro, my bad, wait, delete again the folder, you need to clone with recursive submodules.
No,
sent
I
you.
can also just do...
Oh yeah, but yeah, or you update the submodules, I don't know.
Yeah,
But you need to get the submodules.
Wait, how is this? Is it just submodules? Let's see. Module. Update. I don't know.
You know, all these vendors here you could just have in the SIG build system, you know, and it would be nice and easy. It's a SIG build round.
What is the command for submodules here?
I don't know, man.
Add update sync.
Fetch,
Is there a
No,
fetch? No.
right?
Sync. I don't know.
Sync.
I don't know.
I
There-
have to do
Reach,
it.
summary set. There is. I know there is init.
In it.
So, and then I'll update real quick. There, cloning.
Yeah, fire, okay.
Alright, I will be back tomorrow.
Yeah,
Alright,
Yep.
so now I can do make.
okay.
Makai!
Yeah.
Is that a tuple?
Oh, it even runs it when
Okay,
you
yeah,
make.
fire.
Okay, so...
So
Okay.
just so you understand the problem, like what I'm doing right now, wait, place a mine real quick, because
Mine?
like otherwise you will be cooked. Yeah. Yeah, you see
A
it
mine?
generates you money, but
Oh,
yeah, if you press place a plant, just I don't know, so I can demonstrate a bit. But if you press if you press on the plant right now, like again on the circle, yeah.
yeah.
You see its radius and like on the white cooldown stuff. So if you press L, you spawn normal enemies, and with K you spawn crazy enemies.
That's a crazy enemy right there.
Yeah.
How do
Yeah,
I
if you
get...
press escape,
Okay, you should have it
yeah,
so if you
this-
just click somewhere you can escape. I'm gonna make a lot of money now.
yeah, it's right now really unbalanced. But you know, right now it randomly generates this path. But you
Yeah.
see it's linear and stuff.
Yeah.
And I basically I'm right now working on the map, and I made a map editor for it. And
Show him the map editor.
yeah, so right, if you press F, it closes the application right
No,
now.
I wanna play! What's the mountain?
No, you don't.
It's completely overpowered, bro. It has area of effect damage. It one-shots them,
Oh. I'm so good at the
but it
game,
has like
bro.
a high cooldown.
You
That's
don't
a
know
high
how
cooldown.
good I am at this game, bro.
This is a
Nah,
game
bro,
that's
it's completely
about Lucas's
unbalanced.
level. No, this is a good game for Lucas because he's so good at games.
Yeah,
Like at
bro.
this point, but there is a cap right now that if you you can only press place 100 towers.
Man, you should make
So-
so you can only have like a certain amount of buildings until you get to the next level. So you can only have like 2 mines at like, I don't know, level 1 or whatever.
There's no way I can
Yeah.
lose this game. Look,
Yeah.
I'm just too good
Or
at
you
this
know
game.
what, Chef? You should just make so when you kill enemies, it drops money.
It does.
It does.
You
It
just don't
does.
see it because Yeah, it's such a small thing, though. Like the big ones give 3 per kill, I think.
Oh no!
So, yeah.
I actually got it. Whew, thank God, that was a close one. You know, I could have died.
By the way, if you right now you let enemies go through, like you won't die. You just get minus life, minus health.
All right.
So,
Okay, how do we?
but yeah,
What
if
do
you
you want me
press
to
F,
do? F? Okay.
yeah, and then go. By the way, these leaks are from Waylib itself, not me. Waylib has
Yeah,
those leaks.
of course it's from Raylib. Hate Raylib, that garbage. They should.
Yeah, so if you go CD editor now. Yeah, and then make. So this is my editor, like right now it's not much because I spent probably 3 days letting it work on Windows. But yeah, so if you, for example, go to File New, yeah, you can basically create a new file, like a
What? You didn't go
map.json.
to file dialog working? Damn, you're already better than GIMP.
Yeah, and it's
Damn.
cross-platform. Imagine this, it's
Man,
cross-platform.
okay, this is actually impressive. If you go to file dialog up, damn.
Yeah, just put
Like,
it in West.
what?
or
In
something.
Rest.
Even
Yeah,
even
I
like
don't know.
Chrome fails on that, man. Firefox
Yeah.
fails on that. Everything fails on that, man. Damn. Maybe they all just suck.
Okay.
Yeah,
Did you
so
vote?
now
Was it
you
hard to
can.
make it?
No, it wasn't because I used like a library that made it cross-platform.
I see.
So if you go to Overall tab
Mhm.
in the map editor and you basically give it a name, you can and change the color, like the background color right now. And then also one cool thing, if you go to File and then Save, and then you make another new map. I don't know, just call it new2.json or so. Let's see how if it works for you because
And remember
this will
my
be
last
fire.
place, bro. How could this? You need to put it inside.
Yeah, this will be a thing later, but yeah. And now I don't know if you change the background there and the name. And then also save. Oh wait, now you open the other map. So it will give you a warning if because you have right now it doesn't check if you actually save them because it's like a little bit more difficult, but yeah.
Wow.
But yeah, now and you see, and the coolest thing is because the maps are JSON, like JSON, you know. But yeah, the thing I actually want to ask you for the path, you know, like, yeah, this is right now like, yeah, this doesn't do anything. So
Yeah.
but you know, I want to make like a path so now that the basically enemies travel, and they should be able to have multiple paths. So you have multiple start and end points, and then you add points in the middle to connect them. You know.
Yeah.
You should add assets also. So you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
place down little trees.
Wait, multiple start
yeah,
and end points. You mean like multiple, like a tree both ways? Like it can, or like it's just a node graph, just different nodes. There's no rules.
Do you know Bloons Tower Defense 6?
Yes.
You know how there are maps with like more than one track where the enemies can
Oh
travel?
yeah, they split
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, so if you go to path, I want to have like that you can actually also have multiple. And I'm not sure about the interface, how I want to do it because
No, Dejev, hear me out. You want to add so the points that have multiple connections have a number, and whenever an enemy walks on that thing, the number goes up, and the number is also what the pathway, so the enemies will spread out evenly.
What?
yeah, but I mean like now for
Interface for
the
creating the
editor,
thing.
you know.
I would.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
no.
I think you should like when you press the add paths, or like you could have like actually start path or something like that. And what you get is like kind of like a pen tool or something like that. Wait, this is pretty good. Yeah, okay. And then you can like, so you press somewhere, and now when you move the cursor
Yeah.
around, it shows you a line, and then you continue you keep on creating like this, for example, you know. So then
Okay.
it, at the same time it draws this like this.
Yeah.
And once you're done, you could have a big OK button in the top right, or green button, or you can have press enter. And that means now it has created one path, and now you can, if you want to, you could go and click and drag these points
Change it.
around.
Okay, I see.
That I feel like it would be
Okay,
quite
okay.
intuitive. Or you can press on the end point once and you can continue expanding if you wanted, or you could have right click to delete a node or something like that. And then you just, yeah. That feels quite intuitive, I would say.
Okay, so only with the add. Okay, that's a good idea. Because
But
I've
you
been
have
like,
multiple different tools, so you could have this one, and you can also have one where you just place down the dots, and then you have to draw the lines yourself.
What the fuck is
So
this?
like-
Oh, damn, there's a different kind of eraser here, I didn't know that.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
that's
okay.
that I think would feel kind of simple, because then it's like you're kind of like in that. Or you can also restrict that while you're in that mode. The only thing you can do is just draw the map and click OK or cancel. So the user can't really go anywhere. Like they only have option to draw the map, or they approve it or cancel it. That's all they can do while they're in that state.
Okay, I see. Yeah, that's a good idea. But because my approach was like insanely dumb, and because I had a like add point button, so you need to select the path and then you manually add the points, which is like, yeah.
Yeah, then it's like, then they know like you can also make like everything else just gets grayed out, and then it just highlights like your area, like you just gray everything else out, and like they can't do anything except for that, or they cancel it and they can continue doing whatever they wanted to do. So you
I
prevent
can't
also.
believe you
Lucas-
port this to the SIG build system.
But
Lucas,
I
look
don't
into
know.
the beautiful map files.
I had a friend
beautiful
who
they
once
look.
told me that when we were doing some web server project, he told me that basically we are the one who regulate what the user can do, and they can only do the thing that we tell them to do. They can't do anything else. Like if they're trying to do something else stupid, like we are putting them in a spot where they can only do this thing, then we don't even have to consider what if this or what if that, because they can't do it. It's impossible. And it's also kind of user friendly in a sense.
Lucas, take a look at the map. At the maps, how they look. They look so beautiful in JSON.
Oh yeah, I wanted to do that actually. Wait, where I should actually clean this up, but I'm too lazy for that. That's France T-shirt. Tower defense.
No, you're on Linux. You don't clean things up. You reinstall
Yeah.
Linux.
Bro. Okay. And now I'm using a different file explorer. I'm using a Cosmic file explorer.
Why are
Yeah.
the names camel case?
Because in this project I'm naming every variable camel case.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
That makes sense.
And C, it's fine.
In C
yeah,
is
and
fine.
see, you just like switch up every time. It's like,
Yeah.
you know what? Today I feel like this, and today.
Yeah.
So you should probably store the color in hex. But,
Alright, but I think I will stop the stream
Yeah,
here
but
today.
Waylib stores it in this.
Yeah, but
so-
maybe it's gay.
The stream will end now.
Yeah,
Thank
good
you everyone
call.
for watching, whoever is watching. And tomorrow we'll fix this
Yeah.
swap chain and maybe even the mesh. Bye bye.
See ya.